Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a Google Calendar to your Wix website. All right, so first up, let's just go ahead and add an app. Right here in the left panel, click on Add Apps. Click on App Market, wait for it to load. Now go ahead and find Google Calendar. Hit on Enter. Now what we'll do here is just find the Google Event Calendar, okay? Just click on it, add to site, wait for it, and once done, there you have it, okay? Now to connect your account, go ahead and click on Settings, Connect Account. There will be a pop-up window. Select your specific account. Scroll down, hit on Continue. Wait for it to load. And here you have your account name and your calendar, okay? If you want to as well, you can go ahead and customize it by changing the calendars. All right, here you have the list of your available calendars. And as you might have noticed, this is grayed out because you'll have to change the setting from your Google Calendar itself. Now, moving forward, we have a layout, okay? It could be monthly, weekly, like so, or even agenda. Display, show time zone, calendars, and some other good stuffs. Settings, format, and design, okay? Header background, you can go ahead and change this one if you want to. Go back, calendar grid, like so, and the colors. That's basically how you do it. If you update your Google Calendar, it will reflect here as well. And that's how you add your Google Calendar to your Wix website. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.